What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you my most reliable centralized exchange that I use for everything crypto trading that I'm doing. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Bybit's landing page. Link to this will be in the description of the video. We will start with the exchange part, and then I will actually show you the one that I am using with Web3, which generates as much money as I can compared to just simply trading in spot and in derivatives. Okay, so first things first, guys, Bybit is one of the most, if not the most trustworthy and well-known centralized exchanges in the market today. And you will be able to see, let me go ahead and show you the trading part. You will see that there are tons, and when I say tons, guys, literally tons of tokens that you guys could choose from, starting from the blue chip, and then you have altcoins there already. You have your well-known meme coins, you have your blockchain coins, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, and all those good stuff. And for charting, guys, when you do your technical analysis, you have all sorts of tools that you guys could utilize. So this is like a one-stop shop for your spot trading, derivatives, everything and anything that involves cryptocurrency trading, guys. Bybit is by far, in my honest opinion, the best centralized exchange for me. So you have copy trading here, you have Trade GPT, you have Trading Bot, you also have leaderboards here, you have the finance, you have earn. Okay, so you could also check out more information about that. So just click on it, it will take you directly here. All right, so this is the Bybit earn. And then let me go ahead and show you guys what I was talking about earlier, which is in the Web3. I am doing and always participating with the IDO. So this one, they also have staking. Okay, so they also have Bybit Web3 points, but let me go ahead and show you this IDO. So they have, currently they are doing one. Okay, so you have LayerNet. You will see, guys. Okay, so these are the IDOs that they actually had. Look at this. Metal Core, 373%, 859% for Cookie, Aperture Finance, 1,052. You have 1,600 for Theranauts Finance. You also have TARS Protocol at 3,102. Now, when you want to participate, guys, you just click on it. It will take you to whichever project that is. So you could click on login to participate, and it will tell you what requirements you need to follow. That way you will earn tickets that will be raffled off. And then if you win, you will be able to participate in their IDO. And guys, that is automatic profit already once you are able to join their IDO. So you just have to, buy that token with the allocated amount for you, and then once it goes public, it's boom, automatic. As in, guys, you will see, it's just a matter of how much profit you will get, but it's automatic profit. Once you join their IDO and it goes public, it's money in the bank. Oh my gosh. All right, so you have ID stakings as well. Let me go ahead and check that one out. Let me show that to you. So one-click staking, you can stake this STX, USDE, GLP, PTUSDE, RN Bank, and all sorts of tokens in here, guys. So instead of just holding those tokens in your wallet, why not invest it there? But again, guys, before you invest in any project, I will always tell you to always do your own research, guys, because you want to make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into before you even start buying those tokens or staking them and all those good stuff. Because again, this is in crypto, okay? In any trading platforms, especially with crypto, you need to know what you're getting yourself into. You need to know what you are doing. And just like what I always tell you guys, you want to also make sure that you are versed with technical analysis when you do your trading, okay? You have your copy trading here. Let me actually show you this one that we'll have an idea on what that is. Okay, so for this, you have pros. Okay, copy trading pros. And then once you have figured out and chosen which pro you would like to, trade, you could click on them, okay, or you could copy their trades. Okay, so like this one, Mr. Money. When you click on that, it will take you here. It will show you the statistics. It will tell you their ROI, masters P&L, followers P&L, and all those important statistics that you need to know about this trader. Okay, so this is actually a very good help if you are starting to do your trades. You will know, and you could do your technical analysis, and you can actually compare it to what those pros analysis is. So it's like, you could compare, at least you could practice. But then again, it will lessen, the risk wherein you are investing and you don't know what you're doing, right? So if you have something or someone that you could compare what you're working on, that will be a good validation if, what you're doing is good or what you're doing is correct, or you need to, improve on your technical analysis and your decision making with cryptos. You do not want to involve any emotions when you are making trades. Okay, so be it like a hodling trade, like a long-term trade, or a scalping or day trading, do not involve your emotions. You have to trust your technical analysis and follow what you have, what you have done. Okay, so catch your next trading opportunity. You have hot derivatives, hot coins. For their derivatives, guys, you could click on this one. So USDT perpetuals, and you will be able to choose whatever leverage you would like. So if you click on this one, you need to log in, but there are different leverage. Like say for instance, 1:50. You have to trade responsibly. It's very risky, especially if you are new, guys. But again, you need to practice. Okay, you need to practice your skills in trading. And again, I would always recommend that you do your own research. Know how to do your technical analysis. Know how to be good at it. That way you could increase the possibility of you getting more profit rather than losing more than the profit that you are gaining. All right? So guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.